how to use ClickUp Whiteboards. ClickUp Whiteboard tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use ClickUp Whiteboards. The link for ClickUp is given in the description down below to sign up for ClickUp project management software. ClickUp, we can add a whiteboard view into our list, folder, or our board. You can simply navigate to Add View. Here you're going to scroll down to Whiteboard. There are different kind of whiteboards that we can create with ClickUp. Whiteboards are created for collaboration, brainstorm ideas, solving problems, and to get work done quickly as a team using whiteboards. So what you need to do is you're gonna click on Add View. Now you can pick a template to help you get started quickly with whiteboards or to start from the scratch. You can see we have flowchart, concept mapping, stand-ups, then we have brainstorming, brainwriting, and other pre-built templates that we can use. I will be using this one right here. So you can see it gives us this whiteboard. We can simply zoom out and zoom in really easily with this option. Now add anything to our whiteboard right here and share our whiteboard as well by just clicking on the share option and then entering an email address. Now let's work on our whiteboard. You can see we have this panel right here that allows us to add different elements to our whiteboard. First, we have, of course, select and move that allows us to select and move any of the elements on our whiteboard. Then we have our ClickUp cards that we can insert to our whiteboard. This is actually a really good option available that allows me to add any task that I have created within my ClickUp board to add to the whiteboard. All you have to do is just select that card and it will be added right here. We can use this tool to draw freely within our whiteboard. Moving on, we have our shapes that we can add to the whiteboard. We have different types of shapes available, for example, square, circle, and triangle. So let's add a square right here. And now we can go ahead and actually adjust the size. Click on the text and it will allow you to add text. Different types of sticky notes to our whiteboard, which is an important part. What you will do is you will select the sticky notes and enter them right here, and a sticky note will be inserted. Now we can actually add different sticky notes on the different sides by just this plus button. This helps us save a lot of time and it will help you get more organized. So this is how we add sticky note. We also have connectors drag between objects. Select a connector and all you need to do is just connect to object. This is going to be in the form of an arrow and it will help me connect my different ideas and pitches that I have added to my whiteboard. So this is how you will add a connector. Similarly, we also have a mind map that we can add and you can see the example of mind map right here. We also have some templates available. So click on the templates and it will again take you to the whiteboards template library. Then we also have website cards and we can also upload an image or a video into our whiteboard. And we can also add our cards as I showed you before and place them in our whiteboard to create a productive workspace. And it will help you create a productive view. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. The link for ClickUp is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now.